In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find flight deals in Google Flights 2026, step by step. If you want cheap flights without spending hours researching, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to type. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Flights. You can type Google Flights into search or go directly to google.com/travel/flights. It works on desktop and mobile, but a larger screen makes it easier to compare options. Once the page loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your starting hub, with a search bar and plenty of suggestions. We're going to use a built-in shortcut that surfaces discounted fares in just a few clicks. Look to the top left of the page. You'll see a small menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, also called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the side panel. This reveals several travel tools. From here, select Flight Deals. This takes you to a curated section where Google highlights attractive fares from your area. On the Flight Deals page, find the From field underneath the header, click into it, and enter your departure city or airport. If your city has multiple airports, you can choose the one that's most convenient or type just the city name and let Google include nearby options. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the correct one to lock it in. Next, use the search prompt that says something like, when, where, and how do you want to travel? This field accepts flexible, plain English ideas, which is perfect for deal hunting. If your dates or destination are open, that flexibility often uncovers better prices. For example, try typing, week-long trip to a city with great food. That tells Google you're open to different cities as long as the stay is about a week and the destination is known for great cuisine. It's a quick way to find inspiration paired with strong prices. After you've entered your idea, click Search. Google will process your request, and in just a moment, you'll see the results. Flight deals appear immediately, typically showing a mix of destinations, sample dates, and prices. You can skim the options, and if you spot a place that interests you, note the sample week and fare shown. Click any deal to view the full flight details. This opens a detailed view with exact dates, airlines, departure and arrival times, layovers, and estimated prices. Take a moment to confirm the timing works for you, and check things like connection length and total travel time. If you like what you see, you can continue exploring fare classes and booking options from there. And that's it. By using the Flight Deals page, a clear departure city, and a simple idea prompt, you can quickly surface real, bookable bargains. Happy trip planning and enjoy the savings.